graduates, our awardees, and all the parents and families who witnessed today's special celebration. Graduates, as you prepare to embark on this next phase of your lives, remember the lessons, as life beyond these halls will present its own set of trials and triumphs. But we have no doubt that you possess the strength, wisdom, and courage to navigate whatever comes your way. Embrace the journey, embrace the unknown, and never lose sight of the incredible potential that lies within each one of you. As you step out into the world, know that you carry with you the hopes and dreams of all those who have supported you along the way. Your future is bright, your possibilities are endless, and we cannot wait to see the incredible things that each of you will accomplish. Now, as we conclude this wonderful ceremony, we kindly ask everyone to wait until the end of recessional before leaving the halls. Graduates, please remain for the batch photo shoot immediately following the ceremonies. Families and guests, you are welcome to visit the photo booth for your commemorative photos. May I now invite everyone to please all rise for the recessional to be led by our head of school, our guest speaker, the leadership team, and the secondary school faculty, followed by the graduates of Batch 2025, their parents, and all of our guests. Once again, I am your Master of Ceremonies, Rafaela Bianca Badaccio. Until then, Domus Kola Alumni. Family and friends,